Rare robot. This is VeeFriends Comic number 10, Rare Robot. You can get a bunch of different editions on the back here, including a rare 101 metal cover. You have base, lollipop, gold, silver, hollow, cracked ice, shimmer. You have cover B variant, which is a angry robot and also a happy robot. Sketch covers as well. So once you open it up, let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the back of the base cover. So this is just the base. Now we're going to show you one page inside. So if you don't want a sneak peek, you can stop the video here. But if you want a sneak peek at what's inside and the color combinations and everything, okay. So if you don't want spoiled, stop here, add it to the cart, add it. Whoo, look at that color. That's it. That's it.